So now I am making some cornbread since I'm cooking some turnip greens. So I have got my oven preheating at 375. Now I'm going to make muffins this time. Normally I would use a iron skillet, but sometimes I like to make muffins. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a stick of butter. Now you can use a spray, but I prefer butter. And I am just going to go around the edges and the bottom and get it really good and coated, each one. And then I will be putting this in the oven and for about 10 minutes after it preheats so that the butter can start, the pan will get real hot and then the butter will start getting a little bit brown, and that'll help our muffins get a little crispier on the sides. So I've got it good and buttered. Now, just going to put them in my at 375 for 10 minutes. So I've got a cup of flour, self-rising flour, and 1 cup of meal, cornmeal. Now, I'm going to put 2 eggs. And now what I do is I'll mix that up just a little bit. Get that egg yolk busted up in there. Now, you can use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, but instead, I like the flavor of butter. So I like to get me some butter in there, and I just take a stick and shred some up in there. I'll show you just a second here. I'm going to use about 3/4 of a stick of butter. Now, also, the butter will help keep the cornbread moist as I'm cooking. So that should be pretty good there. Scrape all that off. Get every last bit of it in there. So you could cut it up. I like the, what you call it? The shredder thingy. Okay, now I'm going to put my buttermilk. I'm just going to pour a little in. And then as I stir, I'm going to wind up with about 2 cups of buttermilk. You don't want it too thick. See, that's too thick. Then that was about a 1/2 cup. It was about another cup. Get it mixed up real good. I don't like my cornbread to be real dry on the inside. You know, a lot of restaurants, cornbread's real dry. A little more. And you just kind of play that by ear. You can use sweet milk. Sweet milk is going to be a little thinner. You just get it mixed up real good. Now, I will add just a tad bit of water just to get it a little thinner. Just a little tad is all you need. Because buttermilk itself is thick. So it's a little harder to get it thin enough. That would pour, but I want it just a tad thin. If you get it too thick, your cornbread will be, it won't get done in the middle. It'll be kind of doughy. So here we go. You want it pourable. Now, I'll take this pan out of here and we want to immediately pour this up because the butter has already started cooking a little bit. So I'm just going to dip it about a half to 3/4 full on each one. This is for a dozen. And if I have any left, I'll make a little small pan because you can freeze cornbread. That's why I'm doing the muffins, so that I can freeze them. You just let them cool, put them in a gallon bag, and put them in the freezer. Then you always have some ready for your turnip greens or butter beans or whatever you want. Just make sure they're all about the same so they'll all cook the same. Okay, so there we have it. Now I'm going to put these in the, again, it's a $3.75. I'm putting it on the middle rack. And those will cook about 20-25 minutes, just until they're really golden brown. And when you press on them, it pops back up. Okay, so my cornbread has been in the oven now for about 20-25 minutes. Let's pull them out. My glasses got all foggy. Oh, look how golden brown. So we are going to pull one out here. I cannot break that with my fingers. You know they're ready when they're golden brown and you touch them and they bounce back up. Ooh, look at there. Look at there. Good and moist. This is going to be great with the turnip greens. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Go make you some cornbread and turnip greens.